Molly's Oregonian heritage shapes the nature-driven narrative that starts the Nike Vomero Plus Doernbecher. Her pair makes use of a green mesh foundation covered in purple camas blossoms, a plant closely associated with the local environment, a lenticular swoosh that changes to display soft leaf imagery, and an animal-style brown tongue graphic carry on the theme, giving previous Doernbecher highlights a whimsical twist. Another modest outdoor touch is provided by the outsole's deer-inspired hoof impressions. The extras are where the sentimental touch comes in. A field notes notebook and a tiny magnifying lens are included in each box, reflecting Molly's exploration of paths and her attention to detail. The Doernbecher line has always combined community effect with storytelling, and this year's collection gains further significance from Molly's advocacy for the autism community. On January 17th, 2026, the Nike Vomero Plus Doernbecher will go on sale for $165. Pairs are released by a few stores and Nike.com.